I'm going to save this as 10, 16, 1, 9, and let's just put today on that and choose save. All right, so I have my image, I have my text, and I want to add a little animation to this. So let's zoom in just a little bit. And today in Michigan, it is a blistering 46 degrees. So I'm going to add a shape that represents that. If I go up to the toolbar and select the shape icon, the shape that I want to bring in is actually a snowflake. And it's not snowing yet, but I'm going to type in snow. There are hundreds of images, shapes in here that I can select. And if you don't want to try to filter through all of the objects on the left, you can just type in and see what images come up. So I'm going to select snow. It's going to bring in a snowflake. I'm going to resize that a little bit and put that up right there in Southeast Michigan, which is where I am. All right. So the next thing I would like to do is draw a line that goes from Michigan down to Naples. I'm going to go back to the shape menu and let's X that out. I want to actually select the pen tool. And I'm going to draw the shape that I want to create. First, I'm going to click, and the pen tool, it may take a little bit getting used to, so it doesn't work the way I normally expect the pen tool to work, but you can, figure it out pretty quickly. So I'm going to go down to where Naples is, and I'm going to double click, and it creates a straight line. So with this line, I want to actually put a curve in the line. So if you hover over the line, the center, you'll see a little dot. And with that little dot, I can just drag and put a curve inside the line. So now I'm going to format the line. Over on the inspector, I can select the type of line I want, which is a dashed line. I'm going to increase the point size to 9. And I'm going to add an endpoint to the end of the line, which has an arrow on it. I'm going to change the color to blue. Oops, sorry, that's the fill. Let's undo that. That is here. Change that to blue. All right. And the next thing that I want to do, I want to add something to where my destination is. So you guys get to choose. And I'm going to put those on screen. So I'm going to choose either a location pin, one, or a sun. Let's choose this one. Or I'm going to insert a beach chair. Whoa, that's large. So let's bring you down. And oops, let me grab that, shrink you down, bring you over. All right, so audience choice. Which do you want? A pen, the sun, or a beach chair?
Okay, yell out.
All right, beach chair. All right, so we're going to use the beach chair. So I'm going to put the beach chair here. And I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to say goodbye to you two. All right, so now the next thing I want to do is add animation. I have my map, my snowflake, my line, my beach chair, and I have text. So I'm just going to start arbitrarily with one. I'm going to click on the snowflake, and